Tried anal for the first time.
Yeah?
Didn't feel that great.
I didn't think so either. I'm going to Outback tonight. Woo! Gonna be one litty titty, dude.
Oh, hey, what the fuck?
Where are they?
They're like right up.
Oh, well, fuck you then.
I want to see somebody win a game with an RE45. Like, that's actually the farthest thing from what the pros are doing.
What are you doing? Zane? Zane's being a bitch.
What? What? What's happening?
I waited until he got to the med kit, and then I took it from him.
Dickhead.
He just wanted to say thank you to Zane. And really, who doesn't? I mean, just look at him. He's got a very thankable face.
And unthinkable ass.
I think you said spankable wrong.
Between talking about threesomes that I'm not going to have last night, and then, you know, coming to reality today, upon waking up and realizing that it was a horrible thing of me to say, I'm just going to go to hell and relegate myself to living alone.
He's not gonna fucking expect. Watch this shit, you ready? Ah! He expected. Happy little accidents.
That's what my parents would always say.
I'm not gonna be touching that one. Great.
Oh, I saw a child. Guys, the door's spanking me. There you go. I'm in.
Excuse you?
I've never been this horny.
I don't like that he's right across the room from me.
Alright, I'll cover you, get Trevor.
Sure.
Great job, man.
Did we get him?
Oh, I can't aim. I remember now.
I can't aim, I remember now.
Can we?
Oh yeah. Winco has got a good variety of Cheez-Its.
Okay.
Alright, let me just look up how late Winko's open.
I'll suck your dick.
I'll go with Trevor.
Damn.
Okay.
Open up a window. Trevor. Man, let me tell you. He's an outlaw. I go down.
I know.
Sleuth has a clue on Dusseldorf. Oh, yeah.
What?
Pick up the ship!
Oh no. He's broken.
He's broken. I think he's unlocking his full power. Damn, we did well too. My cat just perked up from that.
Johnny wanna be a rapper that could be a cousin.
What's the color purple? I'm here to fuck somebody's wife. Long dick style.
Papa Wiggly's out here, dude.
Piloting us to battle, Trevor.
Oh, we're gonna be fine. Trevor?
Trevor broke off.
Waterfall.
What? Are you gonna jump off the waterfall?
Yes.
Oh, fucking Trevor.
Oh, there's someone here. Oh no. Oh no, no.
And he's down. Awesome.
I am never jumping off a waterfall again.
Don't go chasing waterfalls.
Come on, dude.
I
up here offline.
So I guess play a match.
Well, Luke. What about Luke? There you go.
What? What do you mean? What about me? You're not starting a game without
Oh,
me.
what?
When I said I was just restarting. my
We'll be okay.
You say that every time, and every time we die.
Maybe I'll be okay.
I had Shatter right there. Oh, no!
What
Fuck!
happened?
I just got
You spill your
creamer
coffee?
fucking everywhere. That's on my
I thought he-
laptop, dude. Fuck.
Do you know when your
I'm gonna do that.
girlfriend hasn't shaved her thing in a while?
It's not like
You're-
it.
That's
What
literally
about
what my mustache feels like right now.
Ooh, nice. Do you mind if I fuck your mustache? Thoughts?
What the fuck?
Well. Okay.
That's going on Trevor's next video.
Oh shit, it is, isn't it? God damn it.